You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and US Bancorp depends largely on your individual financial needs and preferences. Let's delve into a comparative overview to help you make the best decision. JPMorgan Chase, a global financial powerhouse, offers a comprehensive suite of services encompassing consumer, business, and investment banking. Its vast branch network and sophisticated digital tools provide convenient access to a wide range of products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, small business loans, and even high-end wealth management services. Chase's credit cards are particularly attractive, offering lucrative travel rewards and loyalty programs that cater to frequent travelers and those seeking value-added benefits. For business owners, Chase provides diverse solutions and merchant services designed to streamline financial operations and facilitate growth. In contrast, US Bancorp, commonly known as US Bank, prioritizes delivering robust consumer and small business banking services with a more regional focus. While not competing on the same global scale as Chase, US Bank provides competitive checking and savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and a respectable credit card portfolio. Often, their products come with lower fees and less stringent balance requirements compared to larger institutions. US Bank's extensive branch network in specific regions offers valuable in-person support for customers who prefer face-to-face interactions. Their emphasis on efficient customer service, community banking, and a simplified product lineup appeals to those seeking a more localized and personalized banking experience. Both institutions offer robust digital banking platforms, featuring user-friendly mobile apps and online portals. These platforms empower customers to manage accounts, deposit checks, transfer funds, and track transactions seamlessly. While fees, minimum balance requirements, and interest rates can vary, both banks offer opportunities to waive fees based on account balances or direct deposits. Customer service experiences can vary by branch and location, but both institutions aim to provide consistent support through phone, online chat, and in-person appointments. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities. If you value a vast array of financial products, international accessibility, and premium credit card rewards, JPMorgan Chase may be the better fit. Conversely, if you prefer a regionally focused bank with streamlined products, potentially lower fees, and a strong local presence, US Bancorp might be more suitable. Carefully consider your banking habits, desired features, and long-term financial goals before making a final decision.